Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can earn from Wix blocks. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now, I'm gonna go to this website, which is a Wix blog that shows us a guide that explains exactly how you can monetize a blog in 2024 in 7 effective steps. So right now, as you can see guys, you can make money from online ads. One of the most reliable ways to make money blogging is to display advertisements, usually with banners and banner ads, throughout your site and collect revenue from each click. The advantage of this option is that it requires minimal efforts from bloggers, and all you need to do is set up an account with an online ads platform and connect it to your website. This is also often referred to as digital display advertising. Using the Google AdSense advertising network, you can define which fields, industries, and categories of ads should be displayed on your blog to ensure that they're a strong fit. In addition, you can design the look of the ads to match the overall design of your blog. When you plan how to make a website and create a blog on Wix, you can add Google AdSense ads to your blog and generate income anytime those ads are viewed or clicked. As you can see, guys, this is the most effective way, and there is also some other ways, for example, asking for donations or tips, becoming a freelancer, blogger, or writer. You can also sell ebooks, do some affiliate marketing, you can write sponsored posts, and lastly, you can get sponsored by a brand. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.